Hepatitis is a group of infectious diseases that cause inflammation of the liver. There are several different types of hepatitis, including hepatitis A, B, C, D, and E. Each type is caused by a different virus and can have different symptoms and modes of transmission. Hepatitis A is transmitted through contaminated food or water and is most commonly found in areas with poor sanitation. This type of hepatitis can be prevented through vaccination. Hepatitis B is transmitted through blood, semen, and other bodily fluids. It can be spread through sexual contact, shared needles, and mother-to-child transmission during childbirth. This type of hepatitis can also be prevented through vaccination. Hepatitis C is transmitted through contaminated blood and can be spread through shared needles or through blood transfusions or organ transplants. It can also be transmitted through sexual contact, but this is less common. There is currently no vaccination for hepatitis C. Hepatitis D is a rare form of hepatitis that can only occur in people who are already infected with hepatitis B. It is transmitted through contaminated blood and can be spread through shared needles or through sexual contact. Hepatitis E is transmitted through contaminated food or water and is most commonly found in areas with poor sanitation. It is similar to hepatitis A in its mode of transmission and can be prevented through vaccination. Symptoms of hepatitis can include fever, fatigue, loss of appetite, nausea, vomiting, abdominal pain, dark urine, and jaundice, yellowing of the skin and whites of the eyes. Some people with hepatitis may not have any symptoms at all. If you are suffering from hepatitis, it is important to follow a healthy diet to support the health of your liver. There are certain foods that you should eat regularly to help deal with hepatitis and support the health of your liver. 1. Leafy green vegetables. Leafy green vegetables are high in antioxidants and nutrients that can help to protect the liver from damage. Some good options include spinach, kale, and broccoli. 2. Cruciferous vegetables. Cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts are high in sulfur, which can help to support the health of the liver. 3. Garlic. Garlic is a natural liver tonic that can help to improve liver function and reduce inflammation. 4. Citrus fruits. Citrus fruits like oranges, lemons, and grapefruits are high in vitamin C, which can help to support the health of the liver. 5. Avocados. Avocados are high in healthy fats that can help to support the health of the liver. 6. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds like almonds, walnuts, and flax seeds are high in healthy fats and antioxidants that can help to support the health of the liver. 7. Turmeric. Turmeric is a spice that has anti-inflammatory properties and can help to support the health of the liver. 8. Green tea. Green tea is high in antioxidants and can help to support the health of the liver. It is also important to avoid foods and substances that can be harmful to the liver, such as alcohol, processed foods, and fried foods. It is also important to drink plenty of water and stay hydrated to help support the health of your liver. In addition to following a healthy diet, it is also important to get plenty of rest and exercise, manage stress, and avoid risky behaviors that could lead to hepatitis infection. If you are suffering from hepatitis, it is important to follow your doctor's recommendations and take any prescribed medications as directed. With proper treatment,